Thinking about getting into a top college and setting yourself up for success? Then you've probably heard of the SAT. I know the SAT can be overwhelming, competing against so many aspirants, but don't worry, I have got you covered. In today's video, I'll walk you through what the SAT is, why it matters, how to prepare, and some expert tips to help you crush it. Ready? Let's dive right in. What is the SAT first of all? Who should take it? SAT is a standardized test, widely used for college admissions in the US and even in some international universities. It's designed to assess your readiness for college by testing your skills in reading, writing, and math. If you are a high school student aiming to apply to college, then SAT can play a big role in your admissions process. Plus, a high SAT score can qualify you for scholarships and boost your application. Now we talk about SAT structure. What is on the test? Well, it's a multiple choice computer adaptive test that focuses on three key areas. Reading and writing, which tests your reading comprehension, grammar, and language skills. It has 54 questions and this section must be completed in 64 minutes. Then there's math, covers algebra, geometry, data analysis, but no calculus. You'll face 44 questions in total in 70 minutes and you can use a calculator for the entire math section. The entire test just takes 2 hours and 14 minutes and your score will range from 400 to 1600. Now the SAT is fully digital, which means you will take it on a computer at a test center, no longer the paper-based format. Next, let's talk about how to prepare for the SAT. Well, let's be honest, it is a challenging test, but the right strategy can make all the difference. Here is how you can prepare effectively. First of all, use trusted prep materials such as Princeton Review Program for your preparation. Remember, the best practice questions are the ones from College Board or those that reflect the official material very closely. Do not deviate. Then you need to master time management. Since it's a time test, you should practice answering efficiently without getting stuck. Understand the digital format first of all. The SAT is now adaptive, meaning the difficulty of the questions in your second module of any subject will change based on what you do in the first module. Focus on high-yield topics as your next point. Algebra, problem solving, grammar rules, they appear frequently, so mastering these can significantly boost your score. Next, you should take full-length practice tests. Well, simulating real test conditions will help you build endurance and identify weak areas as well. Where do I take so much time? Where do I panic a lot? Again, only use official tests. These are exactly similar to what you're going to see on the main day. The key is to practice consistently and stay positive. You've got this. Now let's talk about how to register for the SAT. Well, signing up is easy. Just head to the College Board website, create an account, and choose your test date and location. The SAT costs about $130 in India, but fee waivers are available for eligible students. Now, while it's digital, you still must take it at an official test center. There's no at-home policy yet. Now, SAT score, what is the validity? How long will this score be valid? It is valid for 5 years, so you have plenty of time to decide where to apply. Just get a good score, keep it solid. You can also send your scores to 4 colleges for free when you register, so choose wisely. Final thoughts if you really want to ace it. Well, everything that you need to know about the SAT we've talked about here. But understand that it is more than just a test. It's actually a stepping stone to your dream college. Start early, stay consistent, and believe in yourself. Most importantly, enjoy the journey. Every question you practice brings you one step closer to success. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop your questions in the comments below. And hey, tag a friend who's also preparing for the SAT. Let's ace this together.